Hi guys, welcome back at Approved Detailing. My name is Barbie and today we are going to talk about a Mercedes SL63 color change. But first of all, let me show you around. The detailing facility is completely packed. We are really busy. Have a look around and let's talk about the Mercedes SL63. You've seen before the preparation, the cleaning, the clay bar treatment are very important before we do apply the Coloured PPF. Why? Because we need a clean surface, so the Coloured PPF going to stuck on it perfectly. This is a premium quality Coloured PPF. Come closer and I'll show you the original color of this beautiful Mercedes SL63. Also really unique color, but we're going for something more loud. We're going for orange. So keep on watching us and I'll show you the procedure. So as you can see it, the guys, already done the door, the fender, so that's complete. So even though it's a pre-cut procedure, we have to leave some extra material to make sure it's stretching enough. And you can always ask a question, so what do we do with the inner door ceiling? So right now the inner door ceiling is still the original body color, but I'm going to also show you and you will see yourself, we're gonna make them black, so for a clean finish. The SL63 is ready for handover. The result speaks for itself. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.